So far we learned about constructing a house, what all things, materials we need to construct a house, and which group of people are there behind this construction of a house, isn't it? Yes. So to build a house we need many materials, and many people spend lot of time, the energy to build or to work to construct a house, isn't it? First we need a land. Once the land is ready, architect comes to draw the plan of the house. He used different tools to draw the plan. What are the tools he used? Compass, scale, drawing board, computer, etc. he used, and he do the work. And after his work, after he draws the plan, we send the plan to the authority, the head of the department, who gives the approval. Head of the department accept this plan. He should say yes to the plan. So once we get approval, then mason start laying the foundation of the house by building the walls, roofs, pillars and all. He start doing that work. Mason does that work, and he use different tools to do his job. Shovel, trowel, planner and chisel are the tools used by mason to build the walls, roofs and pillars of a house. Yes. Then usually for building walls, olden days people use mud to build a wall. Now bricks are available, and we have seen the steps of manufacturing the brick. They remove the clay using machine or hand. Then they mix it with water, and small pieces of it breaks into small pieces. They mix with water and they knead with feet. Then they put it in a mold to give the shape to that. Dry in the sun. Then after setting, then they bake it in a kiln with high temperature, and they use oil or coal to give the heat, to give the fire, or for burning they use this oil and coal to supply heat. Then it will take a long time, that is 6 hours for the brick to bake the heat. Then afterwards they allow it to cool. Now bricks are ready, so we can build a house using bricks, wall, everything, isn't it? Yes. Then once the foundation is laid, plumber fixes the underground pipes for bathrooms, kitchen. First he laid the pipes there. Then he used different tools like screwdrivers, spanners, pipes, pipe bending machine, wrenches, pliers and hammers. So he used this kind of tools to do his job. So after laying the underground pipes for kitchen, washrooms, means bathrooms, then electrician will come to lay the lines, electric lines and boxes for switchboard. He used different tools like hammers, screwdrivers, soldering iron and nuts and bolts for doing his work. So electrician comes and set the electric lines. Then once the structure of the house is ready, carpenter make doors, windows, shelves, cupboards and all, and he used different tools like screwdriver, saw, chisel, nail, etc. to shape the wood to make into doors, windows, shelves and all. So carpenter does his work. Then once they have finished the work, plumber comes inside to fits the pipe inside the kitchen, bathrooms and all. Then electrician fits light and bulbs and all inside the house. Then painter comes to paint the walls of the house. He used different tools to do polishing and painting. So polishers are there to polish the doors and windows, and they use rollers, spray paint, guns, brushes and ladders to paint and polish the house. So these are the people involved in constructing a house and the tools used by these people to do the work. So to construct a house we need different materials like sand, bricks, sand, gravel, bricks, metals, stones, etc. And we need different people, group of people like mason, carpenter, electrician, plumber, architect. We need everyone to construct a house. Each one has their own work to do there, isn't it? Yes. So this is the way how we are constructing a house. Next is about, yes, our lesson name is building materials and bridges. So what about bridges? So let us see how the types of bridges and how these bridges are made. There are, just like constructing a house, there are a lot of work is there to build a bridge. It's not that easy to make a long bridge for people to cross, even to vehicles to travel. We need a bridge. There are many different types of bridges we have. So let us learn about these types of bridges and building bridges. Okay, building bridges. Yes, so our next topic is building bridges. Building bridges. Bridges are made for the smooth movement of traffic over a river or for linking two hills or mountains. Why bridges are built? Yes, for smooth movement of traffic. If there is a lot of traffic on the road, full of vehicles are not able to move because of lot of vehicles, to avoid this traffic, or for the smooth movement of the traffic, we build a bridge over a river, or for linking two hills and mountains. To connect two hills and mountains, also we build a bridge. Some bridges are made only for people to cross over. There are some bridges where we can see only people passes through it, not vehicles or anything, only people to go through or to pass over. We build bridges, small bridges, only for the people to cross over. Others are made to carry heavy vehicles. There are bridges where we can see heavy vehicles are passing by, where we can run our vehicles, heavy vehicles also. Many bridges are also made with railway tracks for trains. Yes, I have told, na, train also passes through our bridge, over a river if there is a bridge. So in a railway track also they build bridges for the train to pass. So constructing a bridge is not easy. It is not that easy to construct a bridge. It is very difficult. It needs a lot of planning. Yes, it needs a lot of planning, big equipment. Yes, machines, machineries we need more, and large amount of time and money. We need full of money. We need large amount of time to build this bridge. It's not that easy. We need time, lot of time, money, big machines, and planning also. Bridges may be temporary or permanent. There are bridges that are permanent, means it is fixed, permanent. We can use for lifelong. Temporary means only for a few years we can use that bridge. Afterwards we have to remove and we have to construct a new one. Temporary bridges are the, permanent bridges are the. Temporary bridges can be taken apart after use, while permanent ones cannot. Temporary bridge, there are some bridges where we can take off it, then we can fix it. But permanent we cannot do that. This is permanent. Okay, yes.